Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to edit email templates in Pipedrive? In this guide, we'll show you how to customize your email templates, update content, and personalize your messages to better engage with your contacts. Let's get started on editing your templates. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first thing first, go ahead and open pipedrive.com. Go again and log into your account, and this is the dashboard. Now to edit your templates, make sure to go ahead to campaigns. After that, you have to click on it, and here you'll find three options: email campaigns, automated campaigns, and email templates. Go ahead and click on email templates, then click on template button or create new template. Then you will have this page in front of you with several kind of templates that are already made by Pipedrive team, so you can use them as basically a starting point. So you could go for any design that you feel like it's basically matching your vibe and your business. In case you didn't want any design of these and you wanted to start from scratch, then of course you can do that. You can click here, first option, which gives you the ability to start from a blank page. For us, we are going to go ahead and start with something that is already made. So let's go with this ebook. Let's go here, and as you can see, this is the page where we can edit everything. With everything, I mean literally everything. So here we have several sections, so we can edit all of these sections from the top till the bottom. First of all, we need to add our logo. So you simply have to go here and click on the logo here, and basically this right menu will be opened, so you can go to these settings and change whatever you want. You can play with the width and make it bigger or smaller. So for example, I want to make the logo smaller, I can simply just make it 20% or 25%, or even make it bigger, something like that. Let's make it 25, and this is exactly not our logo, so we need to change it. Click on change image and upload one of the images that you think is your logo. So there we go, and you have to adjust the image to be matching your new content. So here we have to the text, we can click on it and we can change it so it can match our design. For example, here, let's say for example we are selling Notion templates, so Notion templates. So let's do something like that, and yeah, this is something that is good. Get your free templates today, something like so. Seems nice. Now download now, and here you could add like an image that has, for example, the template. What I'm gonna do is simply remove this, and I'm gonna like go ahead and find an image that has Notion template. So Notion template, and we can go to images and let's find something cool. For example, here we could find some designs. We could go with this one. Let's check the quality. It seems like a good quality, so I'm gonna download it. Go to desktop. There we go. I'm gonna add it right here. Here I'm gonna go to content and drag an image, browse, and click on upload image, and let's go to the desktop and let's go with this one. Then we wait, and here it is. So I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller so we can adjust the size. Click on auto width and turn it off, and now let's just make it something like that. After we changed here the colors, we can go more further and add, for example, sides or remove them. We can also add rows for the section, and basically this will cut or basically readjust or remap the design. So you can go ahead and drag it right here, and there will be rows. So we don't really need that, so I'm gonna remove it and keep it as it is. Here, for example, we can add and change these things, these arc icons, so we can literally go ahead and more options right here, and we can literally just adjust these colors. We can change it, or we can literally just delete it. You can click here to add new icon, and you can from here upload like a whole new icon if you want. Here there will be other options that you can edit. Here text color, you'll find other options as well in the bottom, so you can do anything that will be, for example, here 5 icons, like for example good quality, fast support, and best prices. You can change that so it can match your business. Here you can, for example, have or add some reviews. In our case, I'm just gonna delete them, so we can have these templates simple and get ready to go. So something like that is good, and literally we don't really need all of these things. We just have to add, like, this is enough. This is more than enough for like an email. We don't need our email to be long. We just need them to see the most important parts of the email. So there we go. Let's remove this as well. Yeah, I think this is perfect. This is as an email that shows our work. I think that's more than good. Now let me just change that. And about these templates, and we can add here text, check it now or buy now. And yeah, now we can add here our logo again. So we have to replace it by clicking on change image and adding this logo, but this logo will not be visible on this black background, so we need to turn it to white. But yeah, this is like a further option. And then there will be like a signature here, which is like have copyright, etc, etc, which will be basically up to you. You have to choose it by your own, and it has to be having your own credentials and privacy policy things, so you could literally just do it your own self. Once you feel like you're done and you have edited your template as you wanted, and you found like this is the perfect product, you can click here, save and close. And successfully, now congratulations, you have made your first template. And this is how you can edit and create a template on Pipedrive. Of course, as we said at the beginning, you could skip all of these steps that I've shown you and simply click on start from blank. This will be a blank page where you can simply just drag title, images, buttons, divider, HTML, video, icons, menus, social, and list. All of these options, you can drag them and put them as you want on the page from scratch, so you can make the design that you want. And yeah, this is perfectly it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below, and see you guys in the next tutorial.